Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm Nancy Myrland with Myrland Marketing and Social Media. Let's talk briefly about mission statements and vision statements, and should you have one. They're not a bad idea. In fact, they're a good idea. Mission statements, many times people just use them internally, and vision statements, they use them internally, but sometimes it's a good idea to share them with clients as well, and it really just depends. The very simplified explanation of them is that a mission statement is what you're doing now, what your mission is right now. And you can do this by firm, and you can do this by team. You can do this by individual as well. So it's, what are you doing right now? Why do I exist? What is it that is my mission on a daily basis? Is it to be the leading provider of marketing content, social and digital media advice to lawyers, law firms, and legal marketers? Is it something like that? It's what you are doing today. Your vision statement, much more aspirational. It's just what it sounds like. It is the vision for you or your practice area or your firm, depending on who you're writing this for. It's what you want to become. And it may be some variety, some combination of your mission statement and what you want to become. But yet it is, as I said a moment ago, it's aspirational. And, what are you? Are you the most sought after and engaged provider of marketing content, social and digital media education and coaching to lawyers, law firms, and legal marketers? Something like that. Could be. It just depends on you. Everyone's is different. It just depends on what you do for a living, what you do every day, and what you want to do. Your aspirations might be different from the person next door. It might be different. It's going to be different from mine. Everyone's is different. So is it good to have them? Yes, it is. I have mine sitting in plain sight where I can sort of glance over and look at them every once in a while. And they're just a good reminder. Are they good to share with clients? Why not? Unless there's something very private about them, and the two examples I just gave you are not very private, then why not? You can share those with people. I just shared mine with you. It doesn't hurt at all for them to know what your goal is in serving them every day. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. You can either comment or email me at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com. All right, thanks so much. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Have a good rest of the day. Bye-bye.